What's up? Andy here from Namaste Lean, and today we're checking out bananas. Are they fucked? We're gonna look at the facts. Are bananas good for you? Or are they fucked? Let's check it out. Yes, the bananas. Are they good for you? Let's find out, because we're gonna bring you the facts.
So, what do we know about bananas? What are the cold hard facts about bananas? They're yellow. Rich source of carbs, are high in fiber, low fat, like less than a gram of fat. 20% of your daily intake of B6. B6 helps the body produce serotonin. We could all use a little more serotonin. 12 grams of sugar, tryptophan, so it can make you sleepy. There's a crash that comes along with bananas. 14% vitamin C. And a good source of potassium. It may be considered a mood enhancer. Is that a banana in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me?
You can be a banana lover or a banana hater. I love bananas. But either way, bananas are an iconic fruit that you know very well. Are they actually good for you? With 23 carbohydrates, bananas will fuel you to walk around the block, cut your grass. They're pretty fucking easy to eat. Just peel one down and just eat it anywhere you want.
Do monkeys actually like bananas? Yep, monkeys like bananas.
They're from Ecuador. Is that a good place? Are they from? Is it safe? We need to look that up. Are we gonna look that up? What's the quality of the farm? Is it safe there? I like to know my bananas come from a safe place. So these bananas that you know have actually been genetically modified. Actual bananas actually have giant seeds in them. Sweet banana that you and I know so well. Let's see what bananas have in them here. Bananas have 450 milligrams of potassium.
I want to hear some shit? Because if the potassium levels in your body are too low or too high, this is going to cause such side effects as an irregular heartbeat, stomach pain, nausea, diarrhea. Okay. Did you know potassium chloride is actually used in lethal injection? But you need potassium. Helps your muscles recover. It's all about balance. What are other foods you can get potassium from? Coconut water, 470 milligrams of potassium. Sweet potatoes, beets, Swiss chard, beans. If you're concerned about your potassium intake, don't just eat 20 bananas. Change the sources where you can get that. I once saw a man eat 17 bananas in one sitting. He's still alive. Why he was eating 17 bananas, that's another story. So do what you want. Just like have somewhere to put the energy that it gives you. Don't just sit there on your ass eating bananas. Go do something. Go.
You gotta know when to put bananas in your mouth. I got the computer right here. I'm looking on foodbeast.com, and foodbeast.com is telling me that bananas are just as good as fries and cookies. What would you rather have? Cookies or bananas? Would you rather have Oreos or would you rather have bananas? If you have 2 bananas, for sure, like you might as well just have a donut with your lunch. The longer you wait, as they get brown, the sugar content increases, which means the higher the sugar, higher the acid. To neutralize this acid, consume healthy fats like peanut butter with your banana. Hi! Hi there! Just wanted to call and ask if you think I'm appealing. When the bananas get brown, they taste pretty fucking shitty. But you can use them for banana bread, which is absolutely delicious. And I like to have banana bread with chocolate chips, butter melted on it. Oh, that's good. With a big smile on my face. Bananas are great because you can eat them just about anywhere you want. You can eat them on the swing. You can eat them riding your bike. You can eat bananas on the hill. You can eat bananas on the bench. You can eat bananas on the slide. You can eat bananas on the spring riding thing. You can eat bananas in a tree. Remember, if you do eat bananas, dispose of your peels properly, because leaving the peel on the ground could be dangerous and people could slip and fall. Do you want that on your conscience? We know how dangerous banana peels are just from Mario Kart.
To conclude, with the correct timing and placement in your diet, bananas can be a perfect addition and something you can enjoy every day.
If you like bananas, go ahead and have yourself a banana. Remember, subscribe right now and you will get instant access to the next video. Turn your notifications on. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's check it out. Why do bananas wear suntan lotion? Because they peel.